This video will explore two ways of using the arc command in AutoCAD. The first way is the three-point arc, one of the most common ways to draw arcs in AutoCAD. In order to draw a three-point arc, you simply choose the three-point option from the arc command, pick your start point, your second point, and your third point. It doesn't matter which order you pick your points. I could choose them in the reverse order, my start point, my second point, and my third point. The second point is always going to be the one in the middle. If instead I choose this one as an end point, say start point, second point, and third point, see how the arc changes. The radius is the same, but what the result is different. Again, if I were to do it one other way, start point, second point, and third point, the radius is the same, just which portion of the arc I get has been changed. On the other hand, I can do a start, center, end arc. To do so, I'll choose start, center, end. And I can pick them again in any order I want, but the order that I choose is going to change the result. If I say this is my start point, this is the center point, and this is the end point, notice that I get a quarter of the circle, which is what I expected. However, remember that in AutoCAD, angles and therefore circles are measured counterclockwise. So if I use this same method, start, center, end, I pick my start point, I pick my center point, and I pick my end point. Notice how I'm getting the other 3/4 of the circle rather than this top quarter of the circle. And like you would expect, if I say this is my start point, this is my center point, and this is my end point, I'm going to get something different. This point did not lie on here because the radius has to go from here, and I can't have two different radii in the same circle. So it just draws an imaginary line between the points and stops the circle at that point. This concludes the video on how to use the arc command in AutoCAD.